Hi, I'm Selena, a test prep expert with Study.com, and I am an educator with 20 years of teaching experience. Welcome to the FTCE Biology 6 through 12 002 exam, Knowledge of the Structural and Functional Diversity of Animals. In this series, we will break down key concepts about animal body systems, adaptations, and classification to help you feel confident and ready for the exam. Let's dive in. Which of the following is true about the cleavage stage of embryonic development? A. It involves rapid cell division with cell growth. B. It involves cell growth, but no cell division occurs. C. It involves neither cell growth nor cell division. Or D. It involves rapid cell division without cell growth. Let's start to eliminate some of the wrong answers. A. There's no cell growth during cleavage, only division. B. Cell division happens, growth does not. C. Cleavage is rapid cell division, just without growth. The correct answer is D. Cleavage involves rapid cell division without a corresponding increase in the size of the embryo. This results in a cluster of small cells, which will then continue to develop and differentiate in later stages. How does the structure of a neuron support its function in the nervous system? A. The dendrites release neurotransmitters into the synaptic cleft. B. The axon terminal receives electrical signals from other neurons. C. The myelin sheath speeds up the transmission of electrical signals. Or D. The cell body produces hormones to regulate body functions. Let's look at eliminating some of the wrong answers. A. Dendrites receive signals. They don't release neurotransmitters. B. The axon terminal sends, not receives, electrical signals. D. The cell body doesn't produce hormones. That's the endocrine system's job. The correct answer is C. The myelin sheath is a fatty layer that covers the axon of some neurons. It functions to speed up the transmission of electrical signals along the neuron. The dendrites receive signals, and the axon terminal releases neurotransmitters. The cell body does not produce hormones. That is a function of glands in the endocrine system. Negative feedback accomplishes which of the following? A. Maintaining target levels of a certain matter. B. Removing all traces of a certain matter. C. Boosting levels of a certain matter until outside the target range. Or D. Reducing levels of a certain matter until outside the target range. B. Negative feedback doesn't aim to eliminate something completely. C. This describes positive feedback, not negative. D. Negative feedback keeps things within range, not outside of it. The correct answer is A. Maintaining target levels of a certain matter. Negative feedback accomplishes target levels of a certain matter in a cell by throttling back on the process. Negative feedback is more common than positive feedback. What is the primary role of veins in the circulatory system? A. To exchange nutrients and waste at the cellular level. B. To carry oxygenated blood away from the heart. C. To carry oxygenated blood to the heart. D. To regulate heartbeat. Let's look at the answers that are not correct. A. This is the job of the capillaries, not veins. B. Arteries carry blood away from the heart, not veins. And D. The heartbeat is controlled by electrical signals, not veins. The correct answer is C. Veins are responsible for carrying deoxygenated blood from various parts of the body back to the heart. Thank you for joining me on some practice questions from the FTCE Biology 6 through 12 002 exam. Knowledge of the structural and functional diversity of animals. I hope you feel more confident on exam day. For more practice, check out our FTCE Biology 6 through 12 002 playlist. And for even more detailed practice, strategies, and customizable study materials, head over to Study.com and check out our FTCE Biology 6 through 12 test prep course. Those who use study.com boast a 92% pass rate. Our courses include full-length exams, hundreds of authentic practice questions, and short, targeted video lessons specifically developed based on the latest test updates. With our resources, you'll know exactly what to expect on test day. Like this video and subscribe to this channel to get all the latest FTCE test updates. And please leave your questions and success stories in the comments. We would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Happy studying.